Hi. It's been a while. So first of all, just a really quick update. I was gonna be doing the most amazing video that was gonna be like disabled vegan foodie tries insanely expensive Easter egg. They sold out of my Easter egg. I'm so upset. I got an email from Hotel Chocolat saying, we're really sorry, we like sold out in the middle of you buying it.
Some scammers are worse than others, but this gang must be one of the worst.
So they're gonna refund me. I don't want my money back. I want my expensive chocolate. I'm very upset. Mum's not here for this one because this is a really impromptu video and I'm actually really excited about it. I wanted to show you guys how I kind of navigate eating some slightly more like disabled friendly meals. I'm gonna warn you, and I'm just gonna be upfront, there's quite a lot of like single-use plastic because when you're a disabled person, things like chopping and like preparing fresh vegetables and stuff is really difficult. But if you've seen Seaspiracy on Netflix, which by the way you should go check out immediately, then you will know single-use plastic, whilst it's still a big issue, is not really the problem because 46% of the world's problems are related to fishing gear. Linda, what are you doing? Linda, do you want to come be on the video? Hi, Lin. Here she comes. I was actually going to make a whole separate video about Seaspiracy, but then I changed my mind because you just need to go and watch it for yourselves. Anyway, so I'm going to be making Chinese food because I've been watching Uncle Roger like non-stop and I'm obsessed. I actually love him so much. He would hate me because I'm vegan and intolerant to soy. And in his words, so weak, so weak.
You're allergic to peanut. Why
Yeah,
so
man.
weak? So weak.
But I really want to show you guys how I like navigate that. So yeah, I'm gonna go start some food and I'm gonna show you what I do. Okay, so first things first, I've got some noodles. I have just got straight to wok medium noodles. They're completely vegan. Just ignore the serves too. I will eat both. I can smell cannabis. Don't know if one of my cats is having a secret spliff. I'm gonna have to put some cashews in it for some protein because yum. You don't need many because they're a really good source of like good fat and vitamins. I'm gonna be using some groundnut oil. I wanted to look for like extra virgin peanut oil, but I could not find any, but I'm gonna be frying them in this. I'm gonna be using some sesame oil to kind of like season them. I've got packet sauce. Sweet and sour. Love sweet and sour sauce, I really do. But if I feel there's not enough sauce, then I might just add a little drop of sweet chilli. Oh, and the stir fry mix. Let's go to the fridge. Let's go to the fridge. Da, 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 da. See, look at all the single-use plastic. I know it's bad, but what can you do? When you're disabled, it's really hard to like chop stuff. So I'm using this vegetable and bean sprout stir fry, straight to wok. Unfortunately, I don't have a wok. I'm just gonna probably be using a saucepan. So this is what it looks like at the minute. It's not appetizing right now. I might add some vegan chicken pieces in, probably just a Tesco plant chef. Noodles still really hard, but that's fine, it will sort itself out. This sweet and sour sauce is a bit vile, so I might have to sort that out. But this is just a really quick meal. Also, look what I found lurking in my cupboard. Coconut aminos. This is like, yeah, soy teriyaki sauce alternative, so I'll be splashing some of that in there. And I'll also be using sesame oil to season, and I'll be chucking these bad boys in, but I don't really know how you're supposed to, I don't know if I was supposed to soak them first. Teehee. So yeah, show you the finished product. Alright, I think we're ready to go. I added in a little bit of coconut aminos, like the soy sauce. I added some sesame oil and I added a little bit of sweet chili sauce because it was drying out a little bit, so. This takes about 5 minutes. The only thing is, if you find it hard to stand for long periods of time, you may want to get a perch stool, which I should have really used because my feet hurt now. But it is mostly a pretty disabled friendly meal. It takes about 10 minutes. You get a little fake away. And there you have it, little fake away. Probably not as good as the real thing. I mean, the real thing would use MSG, and I don't have any MSG, so. But this actually does look quite nice. Should we taste? Let's taste. I think I should have soaked the cashews. I wasn't sure, because you want them a bit crunchy, but like not like, you know, it's hot. Oh! cashews on it. Hang on. Cashew gives it gorgeous flavour. No, I need to soak the cashews, ignore me. Anyway, I started learning British Sign Language, but I can't really, I'll do a little bit of finger spelling, but I can't really, finger spelling, there we go. But I can't really do much. I can do some colours and I can do some numbers, but not much, unfortunately. But I plan to learn a ton so that I can sign to you guys. Anyway, I'm not gonna like big it up, but I did join Patreon. So if you fancy like paying for my next Chinese. A massive thank you to my one patron, Michael. Thank you, sweetheart, you are a diamond. And your £1 a month pays for one stir fry a month, so thank you. Okay, anyway, gonna sign off. Love you all.